Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is "Spoiled Brat Cries for Her Daddy When Police Ignore Her Threats." Man, they always crying for a parent. You know how that thing go, man. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about here.
Today on Uncovered, watch this 22-year-old completely embarrass herself after getting arrested for fighting outside of the club. She becomes incredibly disrespectful towards police and completely freaks out when they don't let her call her parents since she's an adult.
No, they're by the steps. They just got into a physical out here. Like, some girls just popped her in the face. The other girl, we don't know where she at, but the one group is by the steps.
Officers head to investigate reports of a group of women fighting outside one of the clubs. As they arrive to the entrance, the situation seemed to have died down momentarily.
They're looking for their phone. Yeah, they lost their phone and so they're trying to find their phone. Well, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
While the deputy speaks to one of the bystanders, the suspect attacks one of the women she was previously fighting with.
Why are you slapping me up against my head?
All right, relax.
I got it on video.
You got it on video too.
Now you're under arrest.
All right, relax.
I got it off of my own dog, dumbass.
The suspect tries to make things as difficult as possible for the officers while they transport her to their vehicles.
I'm so glad I got a officer up against
All right, you're good, you're good.
y'all about to get sued out there. That's alright. I'm so glad. I'm so glad I got this shot.
See, what y'all know about that? What y'all know about that Tevin Campbell? Did y'all hear the background? Can we talk? Hey, what? For a minute, girl, I want to know your name. Yeah, that's that. Yo, listen, I don't know what club that is, but that thing, they got that thing rocking. But anyway, besides all of that, she is bugging and she cannot control her liquor. Like, first of all, you're going to try and go after the girl in front of the cops, and not today. And then you're going to get arrested and then kick the cop. Come on, man. She in for a rude awakening, boy. She better get her a good lawyer. Better call daddy, man. You better call daddy, because this video footage right here,
Fine, you're fine. It's all right. You'll get it later. No problem.
Let's go. I got that. That's fine. That's so fine. Y'all think because y'all got some. Y'all think y'all that you so dumb. Y'all dumb. Whoa, why are you touching me? I'm putting it down for you. Thank you. No problem. I got you. It's okay, because I got it all on video.
Yeah, it's on video.
Can you please let go of me?
No,
I asked you to let go of me. I'm not kicking nobody.
You're in custody, so just relax.
Okay, I'm relaxed, and I asked you to let go of me, and you didn't let go of me. That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold on to you.
That's so fine. That's so fine.
There's a third group of females now, and they're trying to come down.
I can't wait to take this job. That's fine.
Try kicking it too.
No, nobody tried to kick me. It's on video. That's
It is
fine.
on video.
Yeah, that is.
I'm not gonna argue with you. You're in custody.
Yeah, that's fine.
it.
That's fine. Nobody tried kicking me. It's on video. That's fine. That's fine. I promise. That's so fine. He about to lose his job. He about to lose his I promise. He about to lose his We were in here?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
you
wait
can
right
let
there.
go of me.
Wait right there.
Yeah, you better lose your whole career. I don't even know.
The deputies bring the suspect outside as they wait for an officer to transport her to the station.
Chillin'. You don't even know.
Where's your ID at?
It's in the back of my phone, right there. Kayla McMenamin, right in the back of my phone. Yeah, thank you. You better lose your whole job. My grandma. You dumb dog. Yeah. Love it.
Call for unit already, right?
Yeah, love it.
Is that a unit already responded? They sent somebody?
I ain't even do nothing. Y'all better hate your job. Hands on me. Look at my face. Look at my face, and y'all better hate y'all job because my grandfather better make y'all hate y'all job, dog. He runs the y'all stupid as that's fine. I ain't do nothing, and I know not to do nothing because my grandfather runs. I know not to do nothing. That's why I ain't do nothing. Oh, but y'all not gonna check that, right? Y'all just go check. Oh, okay, that's fine. That's fine. My grandfather runs around here. Talk about. I ain't doing nothing, and it's all on camera. I ain't doing nothing.
All right, let's come over here.
Yep. Right over here, right? Hello.
What's going on?
Nothing. Nothing much. Y'all gonna see when I get to the police station.
She's getting charged with ag disorderly. Diagonal Leo. She kicked me my balls. She assaulted another person in front of me. So this ag disorderly. Yeah, and disorderly. This dude ag disorderly.
Charlie 3A. Put me around to holding with one strike mileage. It's gonna be 626.
Y'all not getting away with this, I promise you. My family goes to court. My family got money. You're losing your job, honey. You should clock that on her.
How much you had, alright?
Yeah.
This is the downside to, family members being, maybe well off in life or in these smaller towns, being higher up, you know what I mean? Maybe having a little bit of power because you got the newer generations, right? The grandparents or the parents have worked so hard for their reputation, whatever the case may be. And then you got the children or the grandchildren or whatever, right? That didn't really have it difficult in life. So they just had things handed to them. So they think that they can do whatever they want. You see the way that she's talking. My grandfather runs this, blah, 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 blah. My parents or my family got money. They in the courts and all that. Like, all you're doing is just embarrassing your parents' last name and your grandfather's last name. That's pretty much all you're doing.
I'm fine. You doing this $12 an hour. I could never. I make $18 an hour.
Come with me?
I'm coming right with you, boo, and I'm pressing charges.
And 18 an hour isn't that much money, okay? She's making fun of them because they make $12 an hour, which I doubt that. But you just saying that you make $18 an hour, which is what, $6 more? That ain't, in this days and age, you need to be making $20, $25 an hour, okay? And then you could kind of say something, but no, $18 an hour, no, nobody don't care about that, okay?
In my head, yeah. That's fine. I can't wait till my dad comes here.
136?
I want to press charges. My dad already knows that too, so go ahead. Sit there and do what y'all want to do. That's fine. That is so fine. Y'all just gonna be fighting more charges. That's so. Excuse me, I said I want to press charges. Nobody's listening to me. Nobody wants to. Okay, that's fine.
Listen, I don't know what happened. No, I just transported you. What's your last name?
I'm not answering no questions to my parents here. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not answering nothing to my parents here because I'm not gonna lie. I'm getting weird vibes. I don't know if this is getting recorded or not. I'm not answering no questions to my parents here. I'm not gonna lie. I'm getting weirded. out. Like, no, I'm not answering no questions to my parents here. I'm
Okay,
not
no,
going.
that's
It's fine.
that's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Everything is being recorded. I just want to let you know that. Okay. What are you doing? Can you stop, please?
No, can I talk to my parents? I wanna talk to my parents. I want to talk to my parents. I'm underage. I wanna talk to my parents. Thank you.
You'll be able to talk to them.
Okay, that's fine. I wanna talk to my parents right now. I said I wanna talk to my parents right now. That's fine. I wanna talk to my dad right now. Can I talk to my dad?
Not right now. When you get in the holding cell, you'll be able. There's a phone in there. You'll be able to make
Why
a phone.
can't I talk to my dad right now?
Because we gotta like get you in process.
Okay, that's fine, but why can't I talk to my dad right now? I didn't do nothing wrong. That hit me inside my head. You see my head.
Yeah.
Okay, so why can't I talk to my dad right now? I'm confused. I did not do nothing wrong. Why can I not talk to my dad right now?
I don't know.
Confused.
Listen, I don't know what happened. Okay,
Okay,
I wasn't there.
Okay, that's fine. Can you ask him why can't I talk to my dad right now?
Hey, Jim, can you just watch her real
Can
quick?
I
so
talk
can
to
get
my dad?
her ID
Can
out of
I
the car?
talk to my dad right
Her
now?
ID out of the
I
car.
got hair upside my head. Can I talk to my dad? Do y'all want a lawsuit against? Can I please talk to my dad right now? I didn't do nothing. I did not do nothing. Can I please talk to my dad? I did not do nothing.
You will talk to
Why am I getting
yourself.
processed though? I didn't do nothing.
That's how things
That's
go.
fine. I'm so glad this shit's on camera, dog. All y'all losing your dumbass jobs.
Taylor, were you born in New Jersey?
Stop asking me questions. Ask my dad. I feel very uncomfortable in here with you. I'm not gonna lie. Excuse me. I feel very uncomfortable.
No, you can't go, Taylor.
I feel
Please,
very
Taylor, you can't go
uncomfortable.
yet.
I
You
feel
cannot go.
very uncomfortable with him.
Don't know why.
Can we get another officer? Excuse me. Can we get another officer? I feel very uncomfortable with him.
We're waiting for a female to come to search you.
Okay, that's fine. I just said I feel uncomfortable though.
I
So you're
understand
gonna
what
leave me
you
with
said.
a male officer when I just said I feel uncomfortable with
I
him?
understood exactly what
Okay,
you
so
said.
are you gonna have somebody else come in here? Because I just said I feel uncomfortable
I'm
with
standing
him.
right here.
Oh, okay. Did y'all call my parents? Okay, did y'all call my parents? Because I asked for a guardian probably 2 hours ago.
You haven't been here for anywhere near an hour.
Okay, well, an hour ago, did y'all grab a guardian for me? Because I'm asking for a guardian. I'm asking for a guardian right now. Did y'all grab a guardian for me?
You're over 20 years old. You're an adult.
I'm
so
22 years old, yeah. Did you grab a guardian for me, though?
Adults don't get guardians.
Okay, well...
Despite the suspect being 22 years old, she repeatedly asks for a guardian and claims she is underage. We aren't sure if she's intoxicated or just stupid.
I asked for a guardian multiple times. Oh, I can't wait to sue the
Kayla, real quick. You don't have to listen to me. That's totally your discretion. But if you do break that, you're gonna get charged again.
It's fine. I asked for a guardian multiple times. I'm underage. I asked for a guardian multiple times, and nobody is giving me a guardian multiple times. Y'all dumb as yo.
Are you currently taking any drugs? We can stay here all night if that's what you'd like to do. That's going to stop you from getting
My dad's
processed.
gonna answer questions for y'all. That's fine. That's so fine.
When do you think your dad's arriving to answer our questions?
He's gonna arrive right away. You're asking if I'm taking drugs and shit, and this just literally popped me in my face. Like, you can see my face clearly. I didn't do nothing.
We're waiting on him.
You're
He wants to
dumb as-
check.
It's okay. It's all on camera. I don't care. You're dumb. Shut the up. Stop talking to me, dumb. I'm not listening to none of y'all dumb saying. It's all on camera. That's fine. And as you can see on the camera, his fat literally seen her dumb hit me, and he grabbed her, but then grabbed me afterwards. You see it all on camera. It's so fine. I can't wait. You dumb. You losing your job and everything. I'm getting recon.
Now, she may be right that the other person hit her first or whatever, but everything starts when the cops got there. So when the cops get there, they don't see the other girl hitting her. They see her going up to the other girl and assaulting her. So even if whatever happened beforehand, I mean, listen, you just can't act that stupid in front of a cop, man, because this could have really just been something completely different as far as like, all right, you're drunk, go home, call a ride, get an Uber, whatever, and just separate the two. But she didn't want to do that. She wanted to, beat on the other girl and stuff. So hey, this is what you get.
Let her keep saying it. It doesn't add up
That's so
anything.
fine. That's so fine. I don't give a
Games are-
That's why I'm chilling. You still fat. You still fat. You still fat. You still fat. You fat. Bald headed.
Mike.
Is my dad here?
No, I don't believe I'm your father. What's going on today?
I need to talk to my dad. I asked for my dad. I don't like that I felt teamed up. I asked for my dad.
Did you go to the hospital?
No, I asked for a guardian.
Not on her head.
There's a knot on my head, but I asked for a
Does
guardian.
she have to go?
I'm
She
perfectly
in custody?
fine.
Yeah.
I said
Great.
I'm perfectly
not
fine.
my
I'm
call.
just
I
asking
don't
for
even
my
know what
dad.
happened.
I'm just
Oh.
asking for a
We're just
guardian.
transporting.
But she has to go?
I'm just asking for a
Oh,
guardian.
she doesn't have to- okay.
No, I don't
No,
have
she
to
don't
go
have to.
nowhere.
Okay, do you have-
I'm
do you have
asking
a-
for a guardian. I'm asking for a guardian.
How old are you?
23. I'm
Oh,
asking for
so
a
you're a full
guardian.
adult.
Yes.
You're your own guardian.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, right?
Clear.
My own guardian, right?
Kayla, what happened tonight?
Nothing. Some dumb hit me upside my head and he grabbed me. He ain't grabbed her, but he grabbed me.
He was here the whole time.
Okay, yeah, he was here the whole time, watching on the cameras. Nobody, I did not.
Where
do
did this
nothing.
happen at?
Right here at Kiss Kiss. You can watch it on the cameras. I'm a guardian. I'm not saying nothing else.
In
I'm a guardian.
Tropicana?
I
Other
want
than
my
that,
guardian. I want my
little...
guardian. Excuse me, I asked for my
No,
guardian.
put that in the
I asked for
record.
my guardian like 6 times.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, I asked for my guardian like 6 times. If you want to, it's right there. No, you're good.
Okay, just to confirm, you believe you need to go to the hospital, is that correct? It's really not that difficult of a question.
Dang, they got the female officer in the building. Ugh, arrest me, okay? Hold up. Okay. All right, she doing her thing.
Okay, just to confirm, you believe you need to go to the hospital, is that correct? It's really not that difficult of a question.
Shut the talking to me. I said I want my guardian.
So is
And
that a no?
y'all
That's a
being
no.
weird.
Okay.
I said I want my
Alright.
guardian.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Be funny. I hope this is on camera. She has funny.
What?
No, that they're
I
being
don't know.
funny. They're being
Take this
funny,
call.
and that's just all on camera. They're being funny, and that's just all on camera. This is all on camera. They're being funny, and that's not funny.
Hold on.
That's cute. That's cute.
The suspect was arrested and charged with aggravated assault of an officer, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest. If you enjoyed this
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.